And we start 10 TV News at 5 with the surprise move in the murder trial of former Mount Carmel doctor William Husel. Thanks for joining us, everybody. I'm Yolanda Harris.
And I'm Andrew Kendi. Husel is accused of killing his patients through overprescribing medications. Chief investigative reporter Bennett Haberly joining us live from the Franklin County Courthouse with what's next here. Bennett.
Oh, good evening. This was certainly an unexpected move as the judge and jury were anticipating hearing from additional defense witnesses. It now means that this trial moves closer to being in the jury's hands in the coming days.
Ms. Menashe, call your next witness.
That would be my honor, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Baez.
Your Honor, the defense rests.
And with that, weeks worth of testimony came to a close with Dr. William Husel's legal team resting its case.
Any comments? Any comments on
No, we're not talking until after the case is over.
Dr. Husel, do you have anything you'd like to say?
The decision by the defense came after calling one witness Wednesday, Dr. Joel Zivit, who analyzed medical records of patients and spoke with Dr. Husel as part of his review, a move which prosecutors argued should have invalidated his testimony. Husel's legal defense team has argued that it was the patient's medical conditions and the removal of life support that caused the patient's deaths, not Husel's drug orders.
You also state that the underlying medical state was the cause of death for these 14 patients. Does that apply to Bonnie Austin?
Yes.
Joanne Belisari?
Yes.
Danny Millette?
Yes.
Rebecca Walls?
Yes.
Randy McDonald?
Yes.
Beverly Schertzman?
Yes.
Francis Burke?
Yes.
Melissa Penix?
Yes.
Ryan Hayes?
Yes.
James Allen?
Yes.
Troy Allison?
Yes.
James Timmons?
Yes.
Sandra Castle?
Yes.
And Jeremiah Hodge?
Yes.
Prosecutors argued the drug amounts were excessive and accelerated the deaths of the patients when large doses of fentanyl and other drugs were given to them, as many of the patients were having their breathing tubes and ventilators removed.
Hypothetically, if a doctor gave them large doses of medication in this situation, would the doctrine of double effect apply to that?
I don't know why someone would, I'm not following you. Why, this hypothetical, I don't know why anyone would give fentanyl to someone that is dead.
All right, thank you. That, I think, answers it well.
With closing arguments and jury instructions expected Monday, Judge Michael Holbrook indicated Thursday that prosecutors plan to ask for flexibility, allowing for jurors to consider both murder charges and the lesser offense of reckless homicide. Prosecuting attorneys, defense attorneys, and the judge are scheduled to have a conference call to hammer out the details of jury instructions. Again, when it comes to those lesser offenses, that potentially could be applied to all, none, or some of these charges. We certainly will learn more when the jury returns on Monday. Reporting live inside the Franklin County Courthouse, Bennett Haberly, 10 TV News.